roll over until this rice and this seaweed side.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect. Today's video is Sushi Cooking Class. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today's video is my Sushi Cooking Class. I'm very happy to share my country's food culture for Byron locals. This is what I wanted to do and have some connection with communities. Anyway, enjoy watching the video. Thank you for coming today. Thank you for joining. I'm happy before you're leaving. We have a cooking class.
Yes.
Today we make 5 kinds of sushi. And first make rice. We use short grain rice, not long grain rice. First. And this rice absorbs the water very quick. So first one is first wash like this.
How much water?
That's good. Now the bottom is good.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Wow.
Perfect. Yes. Go.
It's for Valentine's Day.
And if you find a chunk of rice and throw.
Oh,
And
you
because
break
the
it, yes.
chunk of rice and center is not vinegar taste. So every
So just
single
like this?
and mix. And when you cut, and the knife is stand and cut. And so like this shape.
Yeah. You throwing some here?
That's great.
Wow. Oh, this smells good. Oh, open. Nice.
Like this. And not this one.
No on the sides.
Yes, not all. Like this much. I didn't know. Watch me. This way. This way. This way. Only you is different. Roll over until this rice and this seaweed side and this seaweed and seaweed together.
Okay.
And stick together. Yes!
Yay!
Yes. This is hosomaki. Hosomaki. Inside out roll.
Oh,
Yes.
this
So I
is
show
a
you
challenge.
first. Roll close until here. Like this. Close. Yes.
Put this part down. Cool.
Wow.
Okay. And this also same. Roll until here. Until rice. And this seaweed and seaweed. Yes.
That's
And
good.
you
I
tie.
like that.
Woohoo!
So this one is takeaway sushi.
See you later, guys.
Oh, you looks good. Yeah, looks great.
This amount and make bowl like this one, and I put wasabi on the fish, the center. Yes.
It's kind of like you're massaging the
Mas-
fish a little. Massaging your fish.
Wait.
Yay! Beautiful.
Oh, yes.
I'll take it.
Ooh.
How much?
No, but it's more, I think.
Now?
this side. Yes. Until color is changed. Yes.
Smells yum.
Yes.
Smells so good.
Yes.
Yeah. Ready? Nice.
Yum.
Yum. Thank you. うまい。いただきます。
Drew and Rina, how is sushi?
Great.
You like it?
Delicious. I
Yeah.
can't believe I made it.
Mmm. It's just like a restaurant.
Right, yes.
Really good.
Thank
Really
you.
good.
Very good.
How was my sushi cooking class? Making sushi by yourself is more delicious and fun. Why don't you have making sushi party with your friend and family on your birthday? I'm sure that's very fun and unforgettable memory. The detail of my cooking class is below. Please check it out. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please push good button and subscribe my channel, please. Definitely becomes my energy to make more good video. See you in another video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。